So I am Jaspreet and I am going to demonstrate 2.2 task of SIT210. So for this we need an Arduino Nano IoT33 and a B-type cable and the software name as Arduino IDE. So first we have to install a library known as SAMD for configuration of the Nano IoT33. After installing the Nano IoT33, I'm going to explain about the Morse code. So Morse code was a device that is an alphabet or code in which letters are represented by combinations of long and short light or sound signals. So by the sound signals, as you can see in the video, we can produce a Morse code. So in the Morse code, the space between the letters is 1 unit and the word was 7 units. So if I want to write my surname, then if I have to multiply 300 into 7, that is equals to 2100 for the delay. So I have used 300 and delay is 3 into 300 is equal to 900 in my code. So now I am going to explain my code in the further section. So the implementation of my code was done by using the bring code from the examples, and by using the dots and dashes, I have simplified my code by adding LED high and LED low from the bring code, that was the simple one code, and then I have implemented JASPRI by the dots and dashes and the delay that I have already explained in my international Morse code usage. Finally, I want to add the video of my Morse code working on the Nano IoT 33 on my laptop. Thank you for watching.